Malakod. Hi, ate girl. Nakay, uyab, ate girl? Wala, bana. Asawa. Okay. So, hi, candidate number 1.
Hello.
So, which purok are you representing?
Purok Honor.
Haman din ang taga Purok Uno, palakpak na ng Purok Uno. So, namin mga 20 na buong mga audience na buhatak na rin mo. So, sino maingon sa ilaha?
Thank you for supporting me.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose your hashtag. And you choose hashtag number 10. And your hashtag is Barangay Kiala.
Ladies and gentlemen, hashtag Barangay Kiara. Barangay Kiara is a place with natural beauty and strengthened by the resilience of its people. As a daughter of this community, I believe that true progress begins with small yet meaningful actions. As a candidate for Miss Teen Kiara 2025, what I can do is inspire my fellow youth to be more involved, whether through education, environmental care, or simply lending a hand to those in need. In simple ways, we can help Barangay Kiara grow into a stronger and more united home. To visit Barangay Kiara is to feel home. Isang lugar na puno ng pagkakaisa at kagandahan. Once again, good evening.
Let's begin with candidate number 1.